mind to make hope, rising common bonds with the unknown.
Unlock the door. But where is the key? The dark holds hope when illuminated. Looks can be deceiving. This vision can't be. The dazzling brilliance is also lethal. It's not reality. But what is?
Have a soul for what once was. We don't have excuses.
Don't say because.
We are all pieces of shattered glass. We must come back together. Make peace at last. Take time for tomorrow.
Earth belongs to life, life
belongs to peace. Remember yesterday? Life is a long road.
No shortcuts. Problems finished, solutions solved. Life's here, life's gone.
Going, gone.
The world has been reversed. We are advancing backwards.
Humans.
In danger of their own fault.
Humans.
Losing the race.
The human race.
Finishing last.
Faces of the past cloud our reflections. Colors are in shadows, making this world a foggy blank.
Symbolic dreams cost.
Must we care?
Fate can't get control.
Destruction gain.
Forests are money.
Money deteriorating.
Young confusion.
We care about fate.
Question the beginning.
Encounter the danger.
Broken fate.
Flowering life. Live the risk.
Heal the wounds of the present.
Tend the tiresome child of today and awaken the blossoming adult of tomorrow.
We're here to ask questions. We're here to
Find the answer.
But what is the question?
Unlock the door.
But where is the key?
Powerful skies.
Spread the whisper
Puzzle the peace.
with unspoken truths.
Link the chain with bonding hands. Sacrifice the spirit.
On the links of the chain.
Run from the past.
Fly to the future.
Land did rule.
Sun destroys now.
Pure drops. Gone.
Happiness is dream.
Behind one dark window.
Hope is beckoning.
No one will see it without understanding. Taking when hand is full. Overflowing without noticing. Encounter the danger in images untold. Soul earth.
We can't ignore it.
Some things like magical light. Look for imagination.
to beginning, but can't stop running. Unless I
Rerun the beginning.
Just music. Cut up pieces of the earth.
First put together, then blow away in slow motion.
Die a difference, live a change.
edit the future. Carry the whisper.
The key is on the other side of the door.
The fine line of soul between life and death.
Dreams and the hard truth. Animals' extinction. Human pride.
Sand is slipping. Just watch our time run out.
Safety is dangerous.
We must protest. The world is not round, it's square. Edges of each race and sides of each color. I climbed down the mountain, and what did I do? Has the pain of the earth ruined my smile?
Twinkling to untwinkling.
To not a twinkle at all. Who will listen most?
Answer my questions.
It's a dirty dream, and I can't wake up. I must protest.
Open a window to freedom. Flowers in shadows, tangled in the ribbons. Frighten the mirror, broken faces. Break the mirror. Roar of life.
It's a dying heartbeat.
The water of life is frozen with hate. The earth we used to know is nowhere to be found. War is not a word, it's what we have learned.
Ticking of the clock.
As time slows down,
We feel the echo.
pieces of the face take the past.
Ticking of the clock.
Every second and every minute,
I feel I am no more a part of Mother Earth.
clicking of the talk.
We can't stop this.
Step by step,
To the dark side.
ticking of the clock.
But wait!
I feel the earthquake.
Shadows fade.
Life is good. The future will come.
The clock goes on.
Life will prevail.
Some things like magic alive. Look for imagination. Some things profit the chance. Look for better days. Run little faith, stars are falling. Run little faith, run to freedom. Run little faith, stars are falling. Run little faith, run to freedom. Answer my questions. Don't look away. Answer my questions. Don't look away. Is there a reason? I'm waiting to hear what you have to say. Answer my questions. Answer my questions. Answer my questions. Answer my questions.
How souls take chance to lift the dream.
Tomorrow is tomorrow.
Kids never run. Brave, innocent heartbeats.
Common bonding of Earth's hope. Falling images of untold mysteries.
The
wouldn't listen.
So now we suffer.
To create a fresh, undying soul.
A big heart with a door in it. The heart's background is light.
There is a key,
Opening the door to the heart.
and that's how it starts.
Let the mind see. Let the mind see. Let the eyes hear. Let the eyes hear. Let the heart see. Let the heart see. Let the soul live.
Messages of hope. So many questions.
Rest unanswered.
If we could fly and see the world from a distance.
He will shed a tear to revive the earth.
Peace is not a word.
It's a way of life. Love holds fast. Innocence is not forgotten.
Have soul.
Soul.